Today I would like to share the mini album that I received from the Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking Valentine's Day mini album swap. So I'm not sure if I'm getting the same person that she gave mine to, but we will see. Okay, so I pre-opened the box and let's see what's inside. Okay, and I see this pretty package. Oh, and this is the album. So yes, I do have Sonya's mini album. I recognize it already because she used this shiny red holographic paper. So I already know this is Sonya Mack's album and she received my album. So we swapped with each other. So that's great. So Sonya, I have your album now. Okay, she sent this pretty package. It says heart. And let's see inside. Well, look, some Valentine's Day socks. Thank you very much. They're so cute. And this is an envelope. And I did see in her channel, she has a tutorial on how to do these Happy Mail envelopes. So look at that. A lot of die cuts. That's very nice. Thank you. This is a pretty envelope, and I'll give you guys a link for the tutorial on how she made these. Thank you so much, Sonya. Okay, and I have some sequins here with glitter. That's very good, thank you, because I do like to make the shaker boxes. Very nice, thank you. Okay, she sent me a card for her swap partner. Okay, it says uniquely made, limited edition, and look at her card. And yes, I did see this video too where you made all of the cards. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you, Sonya, for your message. Very nice card. Okay, so like I said, I did recognize this album. Look at how pretty it is, everyone. It's the holographic hearts paper. And you're right, it is good enough just to leave it like this because this is a very nice paper. You don't need to put anything else over it. So on the side and the back, this is a good size. She has this heart here on the front. It's probably like a wood heart. Okay, let's take a look at the front. This is the Cupid and Company logo. So we have, this opens this way. This paper is so nice, and she stitched all around the pages with some gold thread. It really does make a difference when you look at the albums in person than on the video. Okay, here is a lovely tag. Okay, places for photo, and then the tag. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, look, some red cardstock that is textured, and I like the gold on the border of the photo. Some pretty pink and red flowers here. Another photo space here. This opens this way with the gold foil again, and so this is a good combination. This paper is very soft and looks very nice. There is a tag on the side. All of the papers are so pretty. Look at that, it's so colorful in the red. Okay, so here is a tag holding this together in this pocket. And we have some flips and some more tags here. This is a very nice cardstock. Very nice paper, and she continued the stitching throughout. Okay, on this side, so this, it lifts up and it's closing the gatefold here. It has a pocket and a booklet, and she did her own lines here for the journaling. It's very cute. This is a nice page too. Okay, so here we go, and there is a side insert here. Okay, turning over. This is so pretty, right? With the little truck and a big border of red on the side. And the booklet. So I believe this goes here as a pocket. A very pretty paper. This opens up, a big space for a photo here. And then this space here. So I just love the gold foil. And then look at all these sections that she has here. Okay, so she has some red glitter ribbon here. It's a nice accent to the page. This nice tag. And another one of the pullouts. This is a waterfall page. Which is really nice. It has a belly band behind it, and she put some tags here, and these are booklets and with the journal lines. You see, it's all you need, some red and black together for Valentine's Day. And then here is the waterfall. It opens with a magnet. Opens up. She did the stitching here as well. We'll put these behind again. Okay, here we have this closure with a ribbon. And this is a accordion fold. This is a very big space for a photo. Very nice. Okay, another side tag. Okay, so now this opens up this way, and then this opens down, and we have some more spaces here. It's closing with a magnet. This is a pocket with an acetate window, so you can see the tags, and she does have ribbon accents here. So I do like to have the ribbon accents on the album. So some lovely tags. And then this is the book. Okay, so look at that. It's so pretty with the red and black and white. It's a very nice paper collection. I really like it. So I enjoyed being part of this swap. It's very interesting. You get to know other crafters, and it was great fun being in this swap. Thank you for the card. Thank you for the cut aparts. I will leave a link below for Sonya's channel so you can go visit her. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.